Hello students, in last video we saw so many changes happened in Nilabhai's life. In this video we will see some more changes in his life. So let's see. More changes. My 7 sons and a daughter were born in that house. So after Nilabhai's marriage, they made one more room in their house, and in that house his 7 sons and a daughter were born. 20 years ago, our daughter Zami got married and moved to Rafu village. So here Nilabhai is talking about his daughter's marriage. When my son Lakha got married, we felt that we should get the house ready for the new bride. So when Nilabhai's son Lakha got married, they again renovated their house and they made new house, and it's called Pakka house. In that house they used iron, etc. So from all these material they made their new house. Now Lakha's wife is using mud chulha rarely because she is cooking on gas stove. So before Lakha's marriage and before some years ago, they were using mud chulha and the kitchen is in the courtyard. But after Lakha's marriage, they made their new house and now they were using gas stove. Now his grandson has to go for shopping in city, and we all know that in cities buildings are very huge. So when time changed, people's lifestyles also changed. Villagers migrated to city in search of work and settled there. So in cities, so many big buildings started being constructed with pakka houses. Few years ago, Lakha renovated the toilet and bathroom. So after Lakha's marriage, Lakha renovated the toilet and bathroom and he used colored tiles in his bathroom. So nowadays people spending so much money in houses. Now Nilabhai is talking about that I am now 80 years old. In all these years, I have seen so many changes even in my own house. So when time changed, so many changes happened in our life. So here Nilabhai is talking about changes in his life. So Nilabhai saw so many changes in his own house. And perfect, who are they? So let's see who are they. First is mason. Here in these pictures we can see what type of work mason will do. So mason lays and plaster walls of a building with bricks, stones, marbles, tiles, etc. Now in middle picture, tools of mason. So what kind of tools mason is using? So mason is used mason's trowel, mason's plummet, duster, hammer, etc. So all these tools are used by mason. Here in this picture we can see. Next is carpenter. So what type of work carpenter do? So carpenter makes various things out of wood. Now tools of carpenter. So carpenter use hammer, chisel, smoothing plane, brace and bead, etc. Next, plumber. So in our house, who fits pipes and taps? So it's plumber who fits pipes and taps in our house. So what kind of tools plumber used? Plumber used hammer, monkey wrench and screwdriver, etc. Next is electrician. So electrician does the electric wiring of the house and fit bulbs, tube lights, fans, ACs, geysers, etc. And electrician use screwdriver, tester, tap, drill machine, etc. So now in these pictures we can see blacksmith. Blacksmith makes various things like windows, doors, stairs, iron nets, axes, etc. And in these picture we can see tools of blacksmith. So anvil, hammer, chisel, scissors, iron wedge, etc. are his tools. So in this video we learn about so many changes happened in our house, in our life when time changed. So here this is the end of this chapter, and I will send you PDF file that you have to write down in your notebook, and I will send you PDF file of textbook that you have to write down in your textbook. Thank you.